Step 1. Utilize the suction cup tool to carefully detach the external screen from the device. Step 2. Carefully remove the inner screen and disengage the fixed patches located on both sides. Step 3. Remove the adhesive tape. Unfasten the buckle, and carefully extract the cable. Step 4. Retrieve the new screen, securely install the fixed patch. Reconnect the cable, ensuring that the buckle is firmly pressed, and reapply the tape for fixation. Finally, reinstall both the internal and external screens to complete the replacement process.